Welcome to the Osaze vendor account tutorial. Today, I will be showing you how to register your brand account on the Osaze platform. Let's get started. First, on the browser of your choice, go to shoposaze.com/for-business. Alternatively, you can go to the homepage at shoposaze.com and scroll all the way to the bottom and select For Business. On the For Business page, you would find important information on how Osaze can help your business grow. You can also find answers to frequently asked questions, such as, how long does it take to get my account verified? To create your account, select Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page. Since you're a vendor, you would be selecting the radio button, I am a vendor. Please proceed to type in all requested information for each field, including your email address, password, name, shop name, and phone number. Our platform automatically generates a unique shop URL for your store. If you decide to change this, the algorithm will first check to ensure that the store URL is available for you to use. Please note that your personal data will be used to support your experience throughout this website, to manage access to your account, and for other purposes described in our privacy policy. To read our privacy policy, please refer to the link at the end of the web page. We recommend opening this in a separate tab to read and review before completing registration. By registering, you acknowledge that you agree with our terms and conditions and privacy policy as described in the respective pages on our website. Please click Register to register your account. Registering your account brings you to the quick setup wizard, which is completely optional. It is designed, however, to make setting up your store easier. You may skip this and go right away to your store. However, if you decide to use this, it takes no longer than 2 minutes. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's do it. Here, you get prompted to set the store products per page you want to see on your storefront and to impute your business address. We utilize this information for pickup and shipment purposes. may also choose to opt out of your email address being visible on your shop front. All of these can be also edited in your brand dashboard. Please select Continue and proceed to enter your information on where you would like to get paid. You may choose to skip this step entirely and edit this directly on your dashboard. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will fill it out here and click Continue. Now your store is ready. Let's hurry and go to your dashboard. This concludes today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and congratulations on registering your account with us. This is a huge step in growing your fashion business.